Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be giving you a video tutorial on FTP Client, or the long name, free FTP Client. And it's a great free alternative to an FTP client. Unlike spending $10 or I think it's $10 on FTP on the go, which is still a great app, you can get your free little buddy over here, alternative, FTP Client. And it's just as good. It's not as user-friendly as FTP on the go, but it's still pretty nice, easy to use, and you kind of know what you're doing when you're using it. So the reason it's free is because you can see down here, you got your nice little advertisements that get revenue through there. So there's nothing wrong with a free application. So it's just a nice application to use, and you can see it's kind of split up in half and half like FTP on the go, but just not as nice. And you can see I have a sample website here provided by owmhost.com. So let's get started here. So you can see here, here's all the files for this test sample website. It's a WordPress blog. It's just to play around with and do tutorials on. So as you can see here, you have the files, you have arrows that go into more files. Here's the files for font config. So let's go to public HTML. Oh, but before you start anything, you have to log into your website through your control panel kind of thing. You have to put in your server name, username, password, classic stuff. You guys know that. So let's go into public HTML, really well known one. You have all these files, and you see these little circle type things on the sides here, and the circle ones you can click on and it'll like make this little circle blue like you can see there, and the ones with arrows you click on to get more and more stuff. So we'll go back here, and the reason why it like makes a little circle blue like that is because you're like highlighting it basically. And then to get the files from this side to this side so you can view the code itself as an HTML editor, you have to highlight them like that, and at the bottom you have download down here, so you can press download. It'll download all the files very quick like that. So we'll go into postinfo.html. Here's the code for that file, postinfo.html. You can go in right here, you can edit it real nicely, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Just put in your own code, edit your text. So it's really nice if you're on the go, you actually created the website from scratch, or maybe you know some coding so you want to edit your paragraphs, or you want to edit whatever on the go. So it's really nice like that to use, and it's nice to just to have and see all your files like this. It's pretty cool too if you're still new to HTML or PHP or whatever. It's still pretty cool to just look at all your files and see, wow, this makes up a website. So that's pretty cool to me, but even though I know HTML, so see all this stuff, it's just amazing how much goes into a website that people really don't know. And all the files here, you got your settings. You can select all, deselect all, or delete selected. So I can do select all, and it'll select all of them. You can download them, and it's just nice like that. Upload, it uploads the files to the iPad, or you can have files on this side and you can upload them into this public HTML folder, or go here, you can have multiple different FTP connections. So it's just really nice, whatever you like to do with it. And select all on this side, you can see it just selected all. There's two select alls. There's select alls on this side, as you saw me do before, and it'll get all these ones, or you can select all on this side and it'll get all these ones. So whatever you like, you download those, boom, bam, and now you got all your files on this side too. So check it out, it's a free app. It's called Free FTP Client, and it's really nice, easy to use, very easy. If you like editing your HTML code or just writing your own, script, code, PHP, whatever, this is that for you. A free alternative. It's called FTP Client. The thing looks like that, just plain simple FTP Client. It's real nice. And yeah, it's on the App Store, free. Check it out. Thanks for watching.